everyone! This is the Budgetarian Tech Reviews. My name is Mimi and sasamahan ko kayo mag-check ng mga equipment and gamit na pang home office na pasok sa inyong budget. Kaya naman kung bago kayo sa ating channel, please consider subscribing. Ayan, so guys, for today's video, may nagpadala sa atin ng product to review, which is this 4Life True Wireless Gaming Headset. So, this is from Plextone. We already reviewed them once. And nagpadala sila ng panibagong wireless headset sa atin. So, let's check it out. Open natin siya. So, since this is a made for gaming daw, I'm expecting that this should be immersive. And okay yung quality niya dapat. So, it comes in different colors. But the one they sent us, ayan siya. So, the one they sent us comes in this color. So, parang rainbow siya na ink splatters. Ayan. So, let's take it out of the box. Ayan. It has a charging wire and then meron din siyang casing. I don't know what's this for. Ayan siya. Para siyang silicone na casing. I guess para slip-free siya sa ears mo. So, there. This is the charging wire and then you have silicone casing for the headset. And then it comes with a manual and what's this? It's like a voucher warranty card. Ayan. So, you'll see it here. It's actually very little. Ayan lang siya. Ayan. So, it comes with the charging pod. Ayan siya. And like most charging pods, it's really straightforward. Ayan yung port niya, which is a micro USB. It just comes with the wire. Hindi niya kasama yung pangsaksak. Let's check it right now. So, to turn it on, you simply have to push the logo. Ayan. And makikita nyo na meron dyang dalawang light, which is red and blue. Try natin siyang i-pair sa ating phone. So, when it's trying to pair, it's gonna flash blue and red. And hahanapin nyo lang, guys, yung available device. Its name's gonna be BT for Bluetooth. So, let's see if it's gonna pair. Once na na-pair nyo na siya, hanapin nyo lang si BT. Okay, and then it's gonna connect. Tapos maririnig nyo yung beep niya. And then, let's play a sound. So, of course, you can control the volume sa device nyo or you can use the button here. Press it 3 times for volume, for less volume, and then the right one for higher volume. As for the sound, okay naman siya, malakas siya. Hindi ganoon kabuo yung bass niya. Okay? Wala din siya nung noise cancellation like what they sent us the last time. Ayan. Pero sabi, available daw yung microphone nito. Try natin. Ayan. Try natin mag-record ng ating voice. So, I'm not sure if this is using the microphone itself. Since connected naman tayo, dapat yung external microphone. Or if it's just using the microphone from my phone. And so, stop natin siya. And then, wala ding noise cancellation yung microphone niya. So, you can hear all the sounds from the recording. So, yun. Like the fan, yung mga background noises. So, you can hear it there. Again, guys, you can get this in Shopee. I will put the link here on the screen together with the price. The True 4Life wireless headset from Plextone is especially made for playing video games kasi it can distinguish sound clearly and nagka-create siya ng accurate sense of direction, especially for FPS games. So, itong mga headset na to, they boast of high-quality decoding chips and 120 ms low latency that can help achieve that great synchronization of music and yung game environment sounds. So, it comes with a sleek charging pod or storage na nag-charge automatically and it's easy to carry in your pocket. Plextone 4Life wireless headset comes in red, blue, and green colors that has their own character and design. And the good news for you guys is we are giving this one for free. And all you have to do is just comment below which game do you play the most and subscribe to our Tech Reviews channel. Ayan, we have a giveaway for Plextone. Let's go to the pros and cons. Pros, it's wireless. So, kung kayo yung type na ayaw nyo na nakatali kayo sa device nyo and marami yung malikot kayo or you move around a lot, ayan, so this is definitely for you. Wireless is the way to go. This is also affordable for its kind. Ayan, for gaming headset na wireless. And then, ayun nga, I like the design. So, it comes in a playful, parang ink splatter design. For the cons naman, ayun nga, syempre since wireless to, madali itong mawala. You can easily misplace this, so make sure you always put it in their pods or charging port kapag you're not using them. Okay, so for our budgetarian reviews, ayan, so for the design, we're giving this a 4.5. Okay, because we love the color. Hindi siya yung parang may nakalawit na tali dito, right? It fits my ears well. Hindi siya yung basa-basa nalalaglag. And for comfort, I'm giving this a 4. And for the value for money, I'm gonna be giving this another 4.5 simply because, ayun nga, it's very affordable for a wireless gaming headset. Ayan. So guys, if you want to go ahead and buy this, I'll put the link on the description box below if you want to try them. And thanks again guys for watching, and I'll see you on our next video. Bye!